Hello and welcome to this my small video about the CRM for the airline industry. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sayed Tahir and I am based in Singapore, and I've been in this region and this market from the last multiple years from 2003. I'm working as a digital transformation advisor and consultant for the management of many organizations. Before I proceed, I just like to put a disclaimer over here that everything I'm going to discuss over here in this video is my personal comments and cannot be associated with my past and present employer. Uh, so, as I just mentioned to you that I'm living in Singapore, and Singapore is a part of an ASEAN region, and which has a tremendous potential and tremendous growth, amazing people, amazing food, amazing places to live in this region. But this region is attracting the world. This region is growing. ASEAN economy is projected to grow at the rate of about 5.5% per year and become the fourth largest economy in the world by 2050. What will this do for the airline industry? It will increase the growth in passengers. There will be a more demand for the aircrafts, and there will be airport development activities going on in this year. That simply means one reason, that is, there is no way but to up, and go up. So from an airline industry point of view, there are several challenges which airline industry is facing as of now, like strikes and shortage of staff, because during the pandemic, most of the airline industry get severely impacted. And second major challenge I see in this industry is that the big tech countries are entering the retailer market against these airlines. I was reading some survey and I found out that the global airline market size is estimated to increase by more than 16.31% and can reach up to a USD 23 billion by 2026. Now you can see that why the tech companies are investing into the retailer market for the travel industry. And that is where the airline industry had to step in and improve their focus. So in order to step up, any airline need two basic fundamental things. Number one, they need to enhance the customer experience to derive retention and the incremental revenue. They need to enable internal operations through excellence and use of data to automate them. They need to, different departments need to move out from the silos and need to collaborate with each other. So if your organization or you are part of an airline industry, you are a student, you want to join a CRM space, or you are a part of a person who is only into the airline profession, or you are one of an executive there. If the two main points which I just mentioned, like you are not being able to get experience or improve the customer experience, or you are not being able to improve and coordinate within the team members doing different data, and data sharing is not possible, then you need to change the CRM system. So when I say we need to change the CRM system, it doesn't mean that I'm asking you to go and start looking out with ABC everything. While selecting or making a call that we want to revamp our CRM system, airline system or airline organization must check out the following. Whether the new proposed CRM has the four fundamental things. Number one, now artificial intelligence is very important. You cannot have a multiple projects running through. So the CRM project or the CRM upgrade or CRM you are going to buy must have an artificial intelligence built into that. Second thing you need to see is that this is a mobile world. So you need to see whether the CRM you are selecting can support the mobile first approach for the airline employees so that they can access real-time data from anywhere, from the cockpits, from the baggage area, or from the service center, or from their homes. They should be able to access this in a real-time way. And third, and the most important thing is that you need to check that no CRM will be 100% ready for you. You need to see the CRM you are going to select has a marketplace in place which can support the enhancements or the features of living out by the click of buttons. And the fourth, but the most important thing, that you need to see whether the experts are available in the market for those systems, where there is any community available globally, online, anywhere around the world. which are ready to share the experience. You cannot be running around after the consulting companies for each and every activity. You need to enable your staff. And to do that, they need to interact with the experts through these community channels. So in my opinion, these are the four fundamental things you should look into when you're looking for an upgrade to a CRM system. So while I was doing a search for this video, I look out for that who are the main players for CRM in the market. I can find the name of Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Monday.com, Sugar CRM, Oracle CRM, SAP also introduces CRM, Adobe, and Zendesk. So, but obviously the Salesforce has been able to maintain the leadership in the market from the last several years. I just did a Google search before this video to find out that how many Fortune 500 companies run Salesforce. And I was surprised to see that 90% of the Fortune 500 companies run Salesforce. This is a huge number. So this is one of the factors you should be taking up when looking out and going and upgrading an activity for your current CRM. So what capabilities CRM should have, of our airlines CRM should have? Because most of the airlines do have the customer record. They do have the CRM system. I don't think though in this world there is any airline operating with a CRM without a CRM. They must have some CRM in place. But when you're looking to revamp it, what are the top qualities and the capabilities you should look into an airline system? Number one is that the new CRM system must be able to provide you a 360 view of the customer. You should be knowing that what is the preferences, behavior, and interactions happening with the customer. If you are not understanding your customer, then someone else must be understanding your customer. You need to unify data from different systems and enrich the customer profiles. You need to have the CRM system must have the omni-channels facilities like chat, social, email, WhatsApp, telephone available. And each and every customer personal interaction must be recorded. You cannot live in a silos world where you can outsource a call center and the call center is not communicating to your CRM system. So every interaction with the customer need to be recorded. Every customer should be given a proper importance. Another area is that the CRM system when you are upgrading must have a self-service for key processes like lost luggage, compensation. They should be able to collect data through multiple touch points. You have multiple systems today in your airline running like a ticketing system, like your baggage systems, all must have one common data elements and all data must unified. And the agent should be able to get a one single view of the entire system so that they can improve the customer experience. They need to create the feeling for a customer that they will be able to stick together with your airline and doesn't go to ship out. The system should have a predictive analysis in place so that you can define each and every staff KPIs. So this is just for now. I'll look for your comments and see how, if you want any question, any discussion, I'm here for you. Thank you so much.